So you do a lot of this earlobe repair for people, I guess, younger people that are putting the big circle earrings or whatever they're called in their ears. Tell me about that.
Well,
is that easy to do?
Well, typically people who are younger people who have large holes in their ears from large earrings and need to have them fixed because of their jobs or because they're, in one case, a person was going into the military and he needed to have that fixed before he entered boot camp. And in those cases, we actually have to close the hole by reconstructing it. You have to make it look natural. You have to make it look as if they have their earlobe back again to where it was. You can't just sew it together like some people might think. It's not a simple thing. It's actually a very complicated repair.
But the results?
The results are very natural. The holes are closed and the scarring is very minimal.